Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to remove music sticker from Snapchat story. So in order to remove music sticker from Snapchat story, you need to follow this simple steps. So first of all, I'm going to open the Snapchat application and log in. So once I'm logged in, I'm just going to go ahead and randomly take a snap in order to upload it to my story, and then click on send to, and I'm just going to go ahead and click on new story here. I can just go and click on the done button, right? So when I'm actually done selecting it, so now then I can go ahead and add a music. All right, so when I add in a music, let's see, this is the one. So here you have the sticker, right? Now if you want to hide this sticker, then you could simply keep it at the bottom. Make sure not to touch this bin icon, otherwise the music's going to be deleted, just like this in the off screen. And now you have the music and playing, but then you cannot find the sticker as well. So you could just go ahead and randomly click on the send button and then add it to your story, and then you've successfully removed music sticker from Snapchat story. So that is how it basically works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.